Hi there, my name is Richard McMahon from the interview training website, passmyinterview.com. And in this job interview training tutorial, I will give you a brilliant example answer to the tough interview question, tell me about yourself, for manager, supervisor, and leadership job interviews. So, if you have a management or leadership job interview coming up soon for any company, make sure you stay tuned because I promise to give you the perfect scripted answer. And just very quickly, if you are new to the channel, please make sure you hit that subscribe button because then I can help you not just pass every job interview you ever attend, I can also help you gain promotion and progress throughout your career. And please give the video a like because that motivates me to create more content for you. Thank you very much. Let's jump straight into the tutorial. So to help you pass your management or leadership job interview, I will cover the following 3 things during this tutorial. Number 1, I will tell you how to structure your answer to the interview question, tell me about yourself, if you are being interviewed to become a manager, a supervisor, or a leader. Number 2, I will then give you 5 powerful phrases you can use in your answer that are guaranteed to impress the hiring manager. And then number 3, I will give you 2 brilliant scripted responses to the interview question, tell me about yourself, that you can use in your interview. Now, one of the answers is for experienced managers and leaders, and the second answer is for those people who are applying for their first ever manager, supervisor, or leadership position. So to begin with, how should you structure your answer to the question, tell me about yourself, when being interviewed for any management or leadership position? Well, the best structure to use is called SEAT. S-E-A-T. So S stands for the management and leadership skills and qualities you possess that are a match for the position you are applying for. E stands for the experience and educational qualifications you have, and also any relevant training courses you have attended that are applicable to the role you are applying for. A stands for any significant achievements you have gained in your life so far that prove you are a high achiever. And then finally, T stands for the type of person you are, including the leadership style you have and what you will do in the role if they hire you. So let me now give you 5 powerful phrases you can use when answering the interview question, tell me about yourself, when applying for any manager, supervisor, or leadership role. Powerful phrase number 1 is to say you are a meticulous organizer and delegator. Now, to be effective as a manager, supervisor, or a leader, you must organize your working week in advance and prepare for any potential problems that might occur. You must also have the relevant skills and qualities to be able to delegate tasks to the right members of your team. Powerful phrase number 2 is to say you have a versatile leadership style. This is a really good one. Now, there are many different leadership styles, including autocratic, democratic, transformational, and coaching. However, to be a great manager or leader, you should have a mixture of different leadership styles that can be applied to certain situations. Powerful phrase number 3 is to say you are a confident problem solver. Now, as a manager, supervisor, or a leader, you will have to overcome problems on a daily basis. Now, if you are the type of person who takes ownership of difficult problems with a view to solving them in the best interests of the company, you are far more likely to get hired. Powerful phrase number 4 when answering the interview question, tell me about yourself, is to say that you understand how important change is and that you will drive it through in the management or leadership position you have applied for. Now, for any company or organization to provide exceptional service, it must constantly adapt to the ever-changing needs of its customers or service users. And as a manager, a supervisor, or a leader, you must make sure the strategic goals of the company are constantly achieved. And to do this, a focus on driving through change should always be your priority. And powerful phrase number 5, before I give you those 2 scripted example answers, is to say that you will ensure you dedicate time in your position to mentoring, motivating, and coaching the people in your team. This is another really important one. Now, for any team to be effective and to reach its full potential, the manager or supervisor must dedicate time to mentoring, motivating, and coaching their staff. Now, these are important parts of management and leadership roles that are often overlooked. So if you want to stand out from the other candidates, make sure you mention these things when answering the interview question, "Tell me about yourself." So let me now give you 2 brilliant example answers to the interview question, "Tell me about yourself," for managers, supervisors, and leadership roles. Now, the first example answer is for experienced candidates, and the second is for those people applying for their first ever management or leadership role. Here's the first answer. Tell me about yourself. Here we go. Thank you for giving me the opportunity to be interviewed for this position with your company today. I would describe myself as the type of manager and leader who has the skills and qualities to match the job description. I am commercially focused. I have the confidence to quickly deal with challenging situations, and the decisions I make as your manager will always be geared towards helping you achieve your strategic objectives. Now, over the years, I have been a consistent high achiever. For example, in my last role, I managed to turn around an underperforming team by carrying out regular performance reviews and by also mentoring and coaching the people in my team to reach their full potential. I am the type of manager who will always delegate effectively. I will make sure my team embraces change with a positive mindset so you maintain your position as a market leader, and I will use a versatile style of leadership that is applicable to the situation I am faced with. If you hire me, I will be a fully committed member of the management team. I will make sure all company policies and procedures are adhered to, and I will always plan my team's work meticulously to ensure deadlines are always met. Tell me about yourself. Here we go. Thank you for giving me the opportunity to be interviewed for this position today. I have been working towards becoming a manager and a leader for several years now, and I have developed the right skills and the right mindset, and also undertaken various training development courses to ensure I can hit the ground running in the role. I possess the right management and leadership skills to be able to take a team forward, to delegate tasks to the right people, and to consistently achieve difficult targets in the position I will occupy for your company. Now, because I am a first-time manager, my enthusiasm levels and my desire to succeed are strong, which will be of benefit to your company. In recent years, I have shadowed and been mentored by several great managers. I have read various leadership books to develop my skills and understanding, and I have worked hard to develop a confident and robust mindset that is needed to be a successful leader. Now, if you hire me, I will always act in the best interests of your company. I will never shy away from making difficult decisions, and I will always go above and beyond what is expected of me to ensure your company achieves the success it deserves. So there's 2 brilliant example answers to that difficult interview question. Tell me about yourself for managers, supervisors, and leaders. Now, if you want to download these answers, click that link right now in the top right-hand corner of the video. Head through to my website, passmyinterview.com, and you can download my full set of 34 manager interview questions and top scoring answers. It's a fantastic resource. You can have it in your inbox within 2 minutes from now, and it's guaranteed to put you ahead of the competition at your forthcoming interview. Finally, just before I go, please make sure you hit that subscribe button. It's really important because I can then help you pass every leadership interview you ever attend and also progress throughout your career. Please make sure you give the video a like because that motivates me to create more content for you. Thank you very much. And don't forget to connect with me on LinkedIn. I've put my LinkedIn link in the description below the video, and it's always great to connect with like-minded professionals such as yourself. Thank you so much for watching and for paying attention, and I wish you all the best for passing your interview. Have a great day.